At Ginger, it's all about sharing happiness with other people through our food. It's a very friendly, family-oriented atmosphere, and we serve with lots of love. Hi, my name is Vandana Sethia. Me and my husband Nitin Sethia, we both run Ginger Indian Restaurant in Harris Park. We specialize into North Indian cuisine. You'll see spice levels all the way from mild to hot. We can cook according to your need. You tell us what spice level you like, what sort of a meat, gluten-free, vegan. We can accommodate everyone. In July 2009, me and my husband Nitin Sethia, we got married. And then we decided that we'd go for our honeymoon in December. And then we ended up buying this restaurant in December. So we literally sacrificed our honeymoon because we took this business over. We didn't even close it for one day. We really want it to be up and going. And we're very, very satisfied at the end of the day that we do have this creation, It's like a baby to us, baby Ginger. Well, tonight we're gonna have the dessert, which is kulfi. We're gonna make 3 flavors: mango, a pistachio, and a palm kulfi. We really need to condense the milk. That's our first step. So we're gonna put the milk on boil and we're gonna make it condensed milk. After that, you need to put cardamom, you can put fennel seeds into it to give a bit of a flavor. And then you just keep on stirring it on a low flame. You can add some evaporized milk and a little bit of sugar into it. We are gonna turn off the flame. And then we keep on stirring it until it cools down a bit. For pistachio kulfi, we're gonna grind the pistachios and we're gonna add into it. For the mango one, you just need to add either the mango pulp or the puree of a fresh mangoes. For pan, we need to have fresh betel leaves. So you need to grind them into a fine paste. You stir it and just put it into mold and then put it for freezing. You need 4 to 5 hours to freeze the kulfis, and after that, you just enjoy it. Ginger is very unique because it's really a homely environment. We want you to enjoy food with your family and friends. That's what we focus on. Please do visit us. You all are very, very welcome. Thank you.